Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Marceline here, and as you guys can see, today we're making some Jamaican style jerk chicken. Yeah, so if you're here for the first time, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. We have some amazing videos waiting for you guys, and if you are an oldie, welcome back. I appreciate you guys so much for coming back. All right, so let's get into the video. Right here I have some freshly washed chicken. Yes, I washed it with some lemon and some vinegar, and I'm about to make my own homemade jerk seasoning. I do have a jerk seasoning here, but I like to make my own as well. So right here I have my scallion, onion, thyme, my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just gonna chop them up to throw them in my blender. And guys, if you can't take the heat, stay out of the kitchen. You can't have jerk chicken without spice, right? So I am adding my Scotch bonnet peppers, and you add it according to your tolerance. All right, if you know you can't take too much heat, then you can just go ahead and add one or half. So I'm just gonna throw all of this in my blender, and right here I have my poultry seasonings. These add a nice flavor to your jerk chicken as well, so I'm just gonna add that to my jerk seasoning as well. So now I am just going to add some oil to my blender and some browning. If you don't want to use the oil, you can substitute with water. And then I'm just going to throw everything in there and just grind it up. So now I am just gonna go in with some allspice, and guys, trust me, this is gonna add a nice spice, a nice jerk taste to your jerk chicken, and also some cinnamon powder and some pimento seed and also nutmeg. Yeah, I'm gonna add all of those spice to my seasonings, and it's gonna add a nice jerk flavor, like the real jerk chicken that you get on the street side in Jamaica. Trust me. So I have 600 chicken, and I am gonna gradually add my seasoning and my chicken just to ensure that every part of the chicken is well saturated with this homemade jerk seasoning. So right here I have my jerk seasoning, my Walkerswood jerk seasoning, and I'm gonna add that about 3 tablespoons, and then I'm gonna go in with my jerk powdered seasoning. I have 2 different types, and I'm gonna use them both. So now I am going in with some Cajun seasoning and then some all-purpose seasoning. And guys, whatever seasoning you have at your home, just make it work for you, all right? After you make your homemade jerk seasoning, then you can just go in and use whatever seasoning you have. Now I am just gonna go in with my Sazon Goya, and this is gonna give my jerk chicken a nice, beautiful color. And of course, I'm going to go in with my Italian herbs, and this is quite optional. You don't have to use it, but if you do have it, you can go ahead and add it because it does add a nice flavor to your chicken. So this was Saturday morning, and I'm just gonna put my chicken away in the fridge. We're gonna use them Sunday afternoon for my daughter's 21st birthday party. So you know that's gonna be well marinated, and whenever you're doing jerk chicken, it's always best to season it overnight. So yes, it's Sunday afternoon and my son is on the grill. Yes, he is doing an awesome job, guys. You can see the chicken has a beautiful color and it's still fully cooked inside. Yeah, no raw chicken around here. And I'm so proud of him. This is like his third time on the grill by himself and he is doing an awesome job. So yeah, don't trust him around the stove though. So if you guys don't feel like going outside using the grill, or if you don't have a grill, no problem, just pop this in the oven. I do that all the time. I make my jerk chicken or my jerk pork in my oven and it comes out great just the same. I mean, you know, it's not gonna have that real jerk taste, but it's still gonna taste good. How is it? How is the jerk chicken?
Everything was good.
Good.
Yes,
Why?
it's very spicy. She ate a pepper. I ate a pepper.
How was the chicken?
I don't know.
What?
He said, is she talking to me?
I'm asking you, Kella. How is the chicken?
Thank you.
That's the birthday girl right there. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. Bye, guys.